Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join the MEXC Global Affiliate Program. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download MEXC app? Now, you can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the MEXC app, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page for MEXC, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time with MEXC. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to join the MEXC Global Affiliate Program. Now, for you to do that, it means you will need to launch any browser of your choice. Right here, I'm going into Chrome because I use Chrome. Of course, you can launch any browser at all. Then from the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type in MEXC Affiliate Program. MEXC Affiliate Program. All right, so let's go ahead to the search bar. Okay. So we have the how to join MEXC Affiliate Program. So just go ahead and punch that and it takes you over here. So this is the official website for that. So that's https://affiliates.mexc.com. So click on that and it takes you right into the affiliate program portal, where you can now follow the steps that are going to be made available to you, all right, to become an affiliate. So you have step 1, apply. Step 2, MEXC will review your application, and step 3, promote your custom clothing articles, social media, and other forms of content, and lifetime commissions on every new referral. So over here, go ahead and click on join now, which I have done, and here you go. So this is how you can apply. So enter your first name here, your last name, your email, and your password, then enter your country. So once you enter your country, go ahead and click on start now. Now once you click on start now, that's just going to be it. The next step is tell us a little about yourself, and the next step is email authentication, and then you are done. That's how you can join the MEXC Global Affiliate Program. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.